Hey everyone, it's Brian, Sparky's Model Salvage, Slam Southern Lakes Auto Modelers out of Wisconsin. Here's another build I did. This is for one of the first times I tried the drill bit on the rust holes. I think I went a little overboard on the bed, but I get a lot of compliments on it. So also one of the first times I started using that rusting stuff from Sophisticated Finishes. That stuff right there. It's just beat up old plow truck. A lot of mud, rust holes and stuff. And mirror fell off of it. Get a lot of questions on how I did the windshield wipers, the streaks on those, and I'll do that in another video. I might actually have another video of that already posted on there. I can't remember. Not much for detailing the engine, but there it is. I really wanted to do a lot in the bed there. I think I went a little overboard on it, but you know, you learn as you go, I guess. The back bumper is actually just a pen, tube of a white pen here. Just cut that off and sized it down and sprayed it, and that was it. So yeah, there's my plow truck. Subscribe to my page, Sparky's Model Salvage. Also check out Slam out of Wisconsin. On to my next video.